Now that you have a question picked out that you want to ask your students, our next task is to post it on your grid. So you're going to click My Grids. And remember, a grid is your class. So just like Google Classroom, how you're split into period 1, 2, 3, same thing here. So I'm going to go to my Flipgrid Staff Development because that's where I want to post my video. And we're going to click a new topic. So a new topic is like a new assignment for the students. So my topic title, I'm going to type in, what are your thoughts? Okay, you don't need a topic tip. Now response time, you can give your kids up to 5 minutes or you can give them as little as 15 seconds. It automatically defaults to 1 minute and 30 seconds. I like to go 2 minutes and 30 seconds in case there's a lot that they need to really say. I'm going to have this post today. If you want it to post a different day, that's completely fine. You just change the date. Then you write your topic description or question. So that's where I had listed the 3 different questions I wanted you to ask. So what I'm going to type is, what are your thoughts about Flipgrid? And how would you use this within your class? You use this within your classroom. Okay, I can keep scrolling. Now we can go to privacy. So moderated is if you want to watch the videos before they get posted, you can click this on. So if you might have someone that you're not sure how they might answer, or you don't want students seeing each other's answers right away because maybe you're using it as an assessment, you can turn it on moderation. The thing though with this is you need to approve each and every video. So if you have 100-something students, you need to click and allow 100-something students to go through. So you have to go through each individual video. So I have it clicked as off because right now I would like you guys to see everybody's responses. Active state, you can make it active or frozen or inactive. Inactive, it just kind of disappears. And again, the freeze dates and when you launch it are here. Now the resources, this is where I upload my sample videos. So you would click record a video. If you have a video already done, that's great. If there's a video that you want them to watch and say, answer the questions based on what you just watched, you can add a video from YouTube, image, Jiffy, emoji, whatever you want to do. So I'm going to actually record a video just so I can show you what I want you to do again and just so we get a little extra practice. So I'm going to click my record button. Hello, my name is Jamie Piacenti. I really enjoyed this class and thought that I can take some of the important pieces that I was taught and use them in my classroom. A way I can use them in my classroom is to assess students and to have the students show me their learning in a different and fun and creative way. So again, I press pause when I'm done. Next, it plays it back. Then I take a selfie. I can jazz it up as much as I want. And remember, you just click on what you'd like. Hopefully it'll show up. It's taking a minute to load. Oh, sure, we got a bird on my shoulder. Great. Click submit when you're done. Here is your video. If you don't want to do a video at all, just kind of like the what is matter example, there was no video associated with it, you don't need to. Scroll down if you want a link and some video features. So the students can have drawings, they can react. If you don't want them to react to students' videos, you can turn that off. So you have all these different options. You can have it where they can't reply to it. So you just have to kind of think of what are you using the video for and what is the climate or community of your classroom. And finally, feedback. So you can give basic feedback or custom feedback. Custom lets you have a rubric and you can define what you want it graded on. So we'll be going over that shortly. When you're all set and you really like everything that's there, you're going to create topic. Got it? And my topic is active. So if I go back to my grids here and click on my Flipgrid Staff Development, we can see the video I just posted. What are your thoughts? Now, I can, if I do not like it, delete the topic. And I'm like, oh, I don't like what that looks like right now. I'm going to delete it. And actually this conservation of math, I don't need it anymore. So that mass video, delete topic, and you just click delete. I have my other one right here. If I want to duplicate it or send it to another class, you know how in Google Classroom how you can choose the classes you want to send it to? You just duplicate topic. You choose the grid that it's the one you want it to go to. So let's say I want it to go to period 5 math. And do I want to keep some featured responses or only the topic? I want only the topic because I want it to be brand new for the students in the next class. And then you just click duplicate topic. It takes a minute or two to duplicate. And I'm going to go back to my grids again. I put it in period 5 math. Here it is right here. I open it up. And there it is. What are your thoughts? Okay, so go ahead, try that. And then when you're ready and everything's all done, you have the code for each class right here. And you tell your students go to flipgrid.com. They will type in this code just like you did when you were the student. And then they find the video, click on that green button, and record, and they're off to go. Good luck.